tayo muna tatlo ba? Tayong tatlo na muna ba? Or okay, double. This is Ali. Sino? Ayun, ito. Kuya, sa kuya. I need. Ano yan? Kuya yan ni Ate. Hindi ako marunong mag-core banking. Ay, kuya! Sumbong kita kay Ate Miyang. Pag hindi ka marunong mag-core, sumbong kita kay Ate Miyang. Ate Miyang, hindi po ginalingan ni Kuya Topen yung namin kaninang ganun ako. Enter. Ay, joke lang. Joke lang. Oh my God! Meet ako for the first time. Okay, Hanji, later.
Your team is banning.
Uy, wala talaga. Walang magbubuhat. Hindi ako magwala. No. Thank you, Kaido. Delay ka po. Delay talaga ako ganito.
Ban a hero.
Ano ba ba ito?
Your team is picking.
7 ba yun? Ice Bombs Armansa. Yes, of course. Ice Bomb. Hi, Kuya Jayan. Hi, Handy. Of course, maangas yung bangs ko. Ay, wait. Show. Ano yun?
Mission completed. The enemy is picking.
Different
Di ba ko
perspectives,
masyado
different
rin eh?
perspectives.
By heaven's mandate.
My legacy shall
endure.
Di ba ko masyado rin eh?
At once.
Paano ba to? Wala kasing settings ko eh.
The enemy is picking. Sancho.
Welcome to my hunting ground. Everything engulfed in flames.
thinking.
Tesla is online.
Skin, guys. Di ba ako rinig? Wala kasing settings eh. Tinan nyo. Saan ko ya, ano? Wait.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
5 seconds.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield.
Smash them.
Smash them.
All troops deployed.
All troops deployed.
Yan. Hello? Hello, guys. Hello po. Rinig nyo na ba ako? Yan. May music pa naman. Ba't ako na-
Soon you will know the full force of the arcade.
May music pa naman, guys. I mean, yeah. Hello, Yuel. Ogo-ogo.
You can't escape my burning blast.
OA naman na ito, ang ogo ko. Hindi po random, mga oniris.
Launch attack.
The world of flames is my domain. Maybe I should make myself a flaming skateboard.
Oh, go.
First blood.
Patay. Patay mo.
Feel the heat of the inferno.
No worries. We got this.
Hindi mo ako. Hindi ako natamaan.
Initiate retreat. Understood.
Nakatakot naman lumabas dito.
Launch attack.
Why can't my teacher just understand me?
The enemy has slain the turtle. Ally has been slain. Enemy reached level 4. Enemy invading jungle.
Wow. Masyado pang maaga for that.
Request backup.
Sakit nito. Sino to?
Invading jungle.
Si Tian. Sakit niya, no? Lupit siya, malupit.
Enemy battle spell on CD. An enemy has been slain.
Nakakatakot na tuloy lumabas.
Magic? No, this is the arcade.
An enemy
Iunti na lang sa inyo.
enemy triple kill. Enemy invading jungle.
Sorry,
The
guys,
world of
natatakot
flames
ako.
is my domain.
Nagkaon ka na? Hindi pa po. Clip na lang ng ano niya.
Enemy ult on
Pero
CD.
I feel like mamamatay ako dyan.
Magic? No, this is the arcade.
Ally has been slain.
Soon you will all know the full force of the
Grabe ang sakit
arcade.
naman na itong Zip yan.
You can't escape my burning blast.
Dominating.
Invading jungle.
An enemy has been slain.
Invading jungle.
Masyado pang maga for that. Okay.
Let me clear the wave.
The enemy has slain the turtle.
Hindi ako makalapit. Inaabangan ako.
Request backup.
Patay, lagot. Lagot. Ako dito,
Request
guys.
backup.
Why can't my teacher just understand me?
Hi, Kuya Vincent. Yes, new hero. Hindi, dati ko pa to siya ginagamit talaga. Hindi lang ako nag-mage. Kasi, naman, hindi ko lang script.
Song of Fire.
Hindi kasi ako nakakapag-aggressive gaming dito. Aray! Aray! Hoy! Hoy! Hindi kasi ako nakapag-ano dito. Aggressive gaming pag-mage. Alam mo yun, yung...
An enemy has been slain.
Yes, Kim.
Feel the heat of the
Sila
inferno.
sila Kuya Neil. Tsaka yung kuya ni Ate Miyaka. Si Kuya Topet. Kaya hindi ako nagme-mage eh, kasi hindi ako
You can't escape my burning blasts.
Hindi ako
Ally
mapag-asar.
has been slain.
Hindi ko
Initiate
ma-asar.
retreat.
Soon you will all know the full force of the arcane.
Nakatakot naman kasi lumabas dito eh.